Good morning. This is a Phoenix morning with the sun coming up over the mountains. Isn't that beautiful? And I are home. Here's my rig in my parking lot, in my driveway. I will move it behind the gate in a little while. Right now I'm going to unpack it and put everything into the garage, into the house, and put all the stuff that goes back into the rig. The clothes that I keep in there get washed and put back in. And it's just a gorgeous morning. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous morning. It's Friday and I'm in Phoenix. And I haven't been back even a whole day. And look what just came in. Isn't that pretty? That is just a lovely little peel oven. And it won't start. It's been sitting for several years. And got one little ding in it, one little ding. Poor baby. Oh, poor baby. Anyway, isn't that pretty? So it's been sitting a while. Got a good strong battery, but it just won't fire. Took a sniff of the gas tank and it doesn't smell like gasoline in there. So that's the first thing I'll do is drain that out, put some fresh gas in it and give her a try again. But right now I'm unloading the RV. I've just got it about halfway unloaded and I'm going to do some more unloading and I'll call that a day. So anyway, I'm back in Phoenix. Got the RV about half unloaded. Got a new project in-house. My two bikes are just sitting here, still for sale by the way, pass the word. And it's good to be back. It is good to be back in Phoenix. There's the RV out there. I got a fan inside, cleared it out, clearing the air, a little musty, and unloading it, moving everything inside.